Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about agent mode in Excel. Now, I have already explained this in my previous video that Copilot is already integrated in the apps that we already use in our day-to-day work. Now, these apps could be like Excel app, your PowerPoint, your Word, but today we are going to talk about agent mode in Excel. So the intent here is that you don't have to jump between the tools or move your data somewhere else. You have Copilot already integrated in all the tools that you use in your day to day work. So now let's just see all this in action. So this is how your edit in Excel mode looks like. You have your Excel data, and onto the right side, I have my Copilot, which is directly integrated within my Excel app. Now, as I already about this in my previous videos, that Copilot gives you an access to different models. So within the agent mode in Excel as well, we get access to Claude models as well as GPT models. Now you also get an option to switch modes. You have three modes available to you. The first one is the allow editing mode, then you have plan mode, and then you have chat only mode. Now, in chat only mode, you can ask questions and understand the workbook without changing anything. Whereas in agent mode, Copilot can actually work inside the Excel. It can create sheets, it can build your charts, your formulas, it can generate dashboards. So there are a variety of things that you can do with the agent mode. Now, before it make any changes, it also shows you a plan that you can review, maybe edit or remove steps of your choice, and then ask Copilot to maybe change the direction that it was thinking of. Now, for this demo, I'm going to point Copilot at all my data, which is a sales data, a customer data, marketing data, targets, inventory, and etc. And I'll give Copilot a prompt and ask it to analyze whatever data that is present in my Excel. So, this is the prompt that I'll use. Before that, I would want to switch to maybe Claude model, and then I give this prompt and hit enter. Now, your prompt would be divided into multiple steps. It is going to plan the execution and do it step by step and give you a response. Now, we are going to wait some time to see how the response looks like and basically how your analysis would look like. Okay, so I have got the response from Copilot, and if you see, it has given me a response in five detailed steps. It has created an entire executive summary for me. It has given me my KPI summary, my revenue that I was able to generate region wise, along with the visual representation of all these data like revenue by region, what are my top five products, how does my order revenue by campaign looks like. So there's a lot of detail analysis that Copilot was able to do just with a single prompt. So instead of manually building these tables, charts, formulas, and then looking at them to figure out what's going on, you can literally ask Copilot to turn your raw data into a beautiful dashboard, into your insights. Now imagine the time it would take even for a seasoned analyst to do these kind of analysis. Maybe 3 days, 4 days, I mean, I don't know. And for somebody like me who doesn't know anything about Excel, it might take weeks for me to do these kind of analysis. But now with the help of Copilot, you have everything at your fingertips. Even just by using a prompt, I was able to do a detailed analysis, and now if you want to change anything, you can directly converse with Copilot and change your analysis according to your own vision. So this is where the agent mode in Excel comes very handy, and I hope I was able to help you guys understand how you can use Copilot within the daily apps that you use, which is Excel. And that would be it for this video. Now I'll see you in the next one.